Oneness of God in Abrahamic religions. There are three main world religions which trace their origin to Prophet Abraham. These three religions are Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. In this video, we will talk about their foundational faith, which is oneness of God. We will talk about oneness of God in these three Abrahamic religions. To get more updates, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. If you like the video, please express your views in the comment section. First of all, we talk about Judaism. From Judaism's holy book, Hebrew Bible, we will quote the commandment of God, which is actually the first and major commandment of God. What does it say? It says, I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of the land of Egypt, out of the house of bondage. You shall have no other gods before me. You shall not make for yourself an idol or a likeness of anything in heaven above, or in the earth beneath, or in the waters under the earth. You shall not bow down to them, or serve them. For I, the Lord your God, am a jealous God, recompensing the sins of the fathers on the children to the third and fourth generation of those who hate me, but showing mercy to thousands to those who love me and keep my commandments. Exodus chapter 20 verses 2 to 6. So this is Old Testament testimony about the oneness of God and prohibition against idolatry and equating other gods before one true God. Now we talk about Christianity. The main scripture of Christianity consists of Old Testament and New Testament. We will quote a commandment from the New Testament, which is a commandment of Jesus Christ, whom Christians believe that he is God incarnate and Son of God. So, what does New Testament say about oneness of God? One of the teachers of the law came and heard them debating. Noticing that Jesus had given them a good answer, he asked him, of all the commandments, which is the most important? The most important one, answered Jesus, is this: Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. This is from Gospel of Mark chapter 12 verses 28 to 29. So according to Jesus Christ, the most important commandment is, Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. So this commandment about oneness of God is the most important commandment according to Jesus Christ from the books of Christianity. Now we talk about Islamic point of view from Islam's holiest book, the Holy Quran. What does Quran say about oneness of God? It says, Say, He is Allah, the one and only, Allah who is in need of none, and of whom all are in need. He neither begot any, nor was he begotten, and none is comparable to him. Quran, Surah or chapter 112 and verses 1 to 4. So this is the viewpoint of Quran about absolute oneness of God. I hope this video will be interesting and helpful for you. We will meet in the next video.